अख लड़ जावे सारी रात नींद न आवे मैनू बड़ा तड़पावे चैन कहीं ना पावे पावे पावे. I'm feeling kind of sassy with this hair. What do you guys think? This hair is giving me such like bad girl vibes. This is Diva. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I want to talk about a few skincare items that have completely, and I mean completely, changed my skincare game, and I honestly don't know what I was doing on the face of this earth before I found them, and I cannot do without them honestly right now. Everything that I'm going to be talking about today is pretty affordable, and this is also the time that I would like to break like a really big myth about skincare, that only expensive or high-end skincare is kind of good for you or like will do you better than affordable skincare. I feel like that is a really big myth, and I feel this is something that I also always thought, and I can tell you today, after having used a very affordable skincare routine here in Dubai, that I completely changed my mind about that. I think with skincare you need to do your due diligence and kind of do your own research. For people out there, just for reference, I have pretty oily skin, and especially since I came to the UAE, I have had horrible breakouts. If you've watched my previous videos when I just moved in, so you guys know that I was dealing with major like acne situation, and these products have honestly changed the game for me. Yeah, if you want to know all the skincare items that completely changed the skincare game for me, please keep watching. First up is something that I have talked about so much on my channel. I think like they need to really maybe like sponsor me right now. So what I have with me here is a cleansing balm. The first company that came out with a cleansing balm was definitely the Clinique Take the Day Off balm, which I use, and I've actually used like 2 tubs of that already. And this one is just a really affordable version of that I'm using currently. It does exactly the same thing, and it's like a fraction of the price. This in Indian rupees must be around 700, whereas that is 3000. So as you can see, this is in a balm like consistency, which comes in a tub like this, and you just scoop out a little bit in your fingers and emulsify it on your face. It turns into like this oily texture, and once you've emulsified everything off of your face like your makeup, you can just go ahead and wash your face, and it will remove everything off of your face, and it just feels so magical. And it is also so time saving, especially for someone like me who wears makeup almost every day of their life. And at the end of the day, once I'm home, I do not want to be spending like too much time with like 15 cotton pads removing my makeup. So this is just like one step, yalla, done. So the second thing that I think has really changed my game, and I feel it goes a long way in kind of cleansing your skin, is double cleansing. So I would typically go in with a cleansing balm / makeup remover like this one, and go in with a you know, kind of exfoliating foaming cleanser like this one. I actually have 2 from Neutrogena to share with you guys. So first up, I have this Spot Stress Control Daily Scrub by Neutrogena, which is like this. It has got like cucumber extracts in it. This is really nice, and it honestly smells really amazing. Alternatively, I have this one, which is also by Neutrogena. I am almost out of this one. This is the blackhead eliminating one. Also, the reason why a lot of people have acne is because it kind of starts off as whiteheads and blackheads, and then when it is not kind of removed from your skin, it just kind of develops into a pimple. So if you are very acne prone, using a daily scrub or like a mild scrub like this one or this one really helps and goes a long way in cleansing your skin and also like dead cells and stuff like that. I will time to time go in with a heavier scrub, but for daily cleansing purposes and for the double cleansing step, these two cleansers are my go-to. The third thing that has changed my skincare game, and trust me, this is honestly like a magic ingredient when it comes to acne prone skin especially, this is tea tree oil. And the product that I have to share with you guys is from the Body Shop. This is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. Oh my freaking lord, this toner has really helped me so much in clearing my acne out. It's not even funny. And I feel like tea tree oil in general is amazing for kind of getting in there in your acne and kind of clearing it out. I also used to use the tea tree oil, I don't have it here with me, but I used to kind of just put it on my active pimples in the night, and in the morning it would be drastically reduced. So I think my third thing is tea tree oil. Anything with tea tree oil, especially if you use a tea tree oil toner for acne prone skin, it is going to give you amazing results. So the fourth thing that I feel has completely changed my skincare game in terms of moisturization and really giving my skin that plumped, awake, like that kind of a feel is hyaluronic acid. Like, this is such amazeballs for your skin. It's not even funny. So I actually got this from Miniso. It just like this is this big ass bottle of hyaluronic acid. It says Essence Toner, provides intense nutrition and moisture for your skin. So the way I like using this is cleanser, toner, essence, then serum, then my moisturizer. So that's kind of the skincare steps that I follow. So honestly, I got this on a whim when I went to Miniso, because when I go there, apparently I just keep putting things in my cart and I cannot control myself. And it took me a while to actually kind of understand what this does and how I'm supposed to use it. But what I generally like doing is that I will pour this into my hand a little bit and just like kind of pat it onto my skin. And it does take like 2 good minutes for this to kind of get soaked into your skin. So I can understand that it does prolong your skincare routine and regime time a little bit, but trust me on this one, hyaluronic acid is so good for your skin, you guys. You have no idea. It is so good for your skin. Even if you don't know, like all these guys who get like lip fillers and under eye fillers, the ingredient that the fillers is made of is hyaluronic acid. It just gives your skin this instantly plumped and moisturized effect, and trust me, your makeup on top, girl, it's gonna look flawless. Yeah, honey, thank me later. Next up, I want to talk about serums. So I want to kind of put this in a general category because I feel like a lot of people will use a serum in the night but not in the day, and I have realized that using like a light serum, something like this is Tender Rose Moisturizing Serum. This is a very lightweight serum, smells amazing, and it just gives that extra kind of boost to my moisturization in the morning. And I can understand if you feel like adding so many steps is a little extra, but for me, as I'm getting older, for me, like taking care of my skin is priority, and I'd rather spend like 10 less minutes on makeup and 10 more minutes on skincare. So that's personally my, aim and goal with my skin. But just adding like a light serum, nothing too heavy, nothing too oil based, especially for acne prone skin. But my suggestion would be to just add like a really nice light serum for the day for you to take your skincare game to the next level. Last but definitely not the least is this bad boy right here. This is the Tender Rose Moisturizing Sleeping Mask. So as I had told you in my Miniso video that The reason why I picked this up is because I saw so many people on social media talk about the drunk elephant sleeping mask, and that I cannot find anywhere here in the UAE. If you guys know that it is available in Dubai, in UAE, please let me know. I would love to try it out. But I felt like this was the similar kind of concept and I wanted to try this out. And honestly, you guys, in the morning when I wake up, my skin feels like a baby's bum.
It's so good.
Oh my god, guys, this stuff is game changing. I mean, I honestly don't have words for it. Every time I put this on, and I try and religiously put this on every night because it's so good, when I wake up the next morning, my skin, like when I look into the mirror, I'm just like, it is so soft, and plus this smells like a garden in a jar. It smells like roses, and it is just, it's just, even just opening it right now is making me want to take my makeup off. It's making me want to take my makeup off only because I want to wear this right now. Oh my god, this is game changing. If any of you guys are in Dubai, definitely pick this up from Miniso. Please, it's my request. You're going to thank me later. This sleeping mask is going to change your skincare game, girl. It is, like, it just is. Miniso should be paying me at this point because I promote them so much, but when I love something, I just love something. Like, I'm gonna keep it real. I might not talk about things that I really don't like, but when I like something, I shower my love and affection and just pyar, total pyar. And yeah, just आँख बंद करके ना ये खरीद लो बस. ये cheap भी है. बस just go buy it. So yes, those are the things that I feel have completely changed my skincare game in the past 2 months or so. But having said that, I would definitely want to tell you guys that there are a few lifestyle changes that I have brought into my life also, apart from just using these products. And definitely the first thing is having a clean diet, because, you know, if any of you guys have moved houses or like places like that, you would have realized that it's a pretty stressful time, and I did not have like my meals at the proper time. I was just having outside junk food, and my body just reacted to that by breaking out everywhere. And also it takes a while for your skin to get used to a certain temperature, a certain climate, and you know, stuff like that. But I feel like you should just listen to your body and give it like the goodness that it deserves, and it will definitely show in beautiful skin, hair, nails, and all of that. And I feel like having a clean diet has really helped me, and also drinking a ton of water. I know everybody keeps saying this, but I feel like I'm a living proof of how my skin was earlier and how my skin is right now. As soon as I wake up, I try and have like 3 big glasses of water. Sometimes I have it with like a lemon squeezed in it, because I just feel like once I have that, this might feel like a little TMI, but once I have that, I just do my output for the day, if you know what I mean, and then I can just begin my day and have my breakfast, and I just feel like I'm flushing out all the toxins from my body, which I feel great about. Apart from my, you know, skincare bits that I'm in love with recently, and I feel have completely changed my skincare, I feel these lifestyle changes have also contributed like majorly towards having clean, clear skin. So yes, that is all for today. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about these products, if you guys have tried any of these, if you guys have any recommendations for me. You know, let's keep that conversation going in the comments. I would love to hear more from you guys, and hit that notification bell, you guys, so that, you know, you're notified when your girl makes a video, because last time I made a video, none of you guys saw it, and it had Diva in it, and it was really cute one, and I was just sad. So please subscribe. and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time moi makes a video. Yay! And yes, that's it. And like I always say, keep it bossy.